all these, like since last 2 years we had that big problem issue. Then there was a high court ruling, and then we had to see to it that the waste is segregated. So all the societies which are 20,000 square meter and above are supposed to have their OWC plant. Similarly, all the bigger hotels and all who generate the this waste more than 1 metric ton per day are supposed to have their own OWC plant. So it is in place now. And secondly, all the societies are supposed to have their at least small pit where they have to compost their wet waste. So we don't collect now wet waste. So we collect only the dry waste, and now also dry waste plastic which is banned is not collected. So we have I forgot to tell you that all the marketplaces and some prominent places we have kept one particular color bin, that is a black color bin. On that there is a one wheel is there, and it is written it is a recycle, means a plastic bin. So people can come and throw their plastic over there. Similarly, we are having helpline where people can call on helpline and tell that their plastic is being generated, and we take away that plastic and thermocol from them. Otherwise, then the waste remains very less. So now our waste is reduced, like around 30% waste is reduced. So we are hoping for the best that another 2-3 years. महिला बचत गटांना आम्ही ट्रेनिंग देतो, त्यांना आम्ही रिव्हॉल्विंग फंड देतो, त्यांना आम्ही लोन देतो. जे सबसिडाइज लोन असतं त्याला 60% पर्यंत त्यांनी लोन व्याज करायचं, त्याच्यावरचं जे व्याज असेल ते आम्ही कॉर्पोरेशन भरतो, आणि त्यांनी जर व्याज आणि त्यांचं वेळेत फेडलं तर वरच्या अजून 3% सुद्धा सबसिडी कॉर्पोरेशन त्यांना देते. त्या व्यतिरिक्त त्यांचे आम्ही ग्रुप बनवतो आणि त्यांना आम्ही उद्योगधंदा करण्यासाठी वेगळ्या प्रकारचं प्रशिक्षण देऊन त्यांना आम्ही आणखी वेगळा अनुभव देतो. त्यांच्यासाठी वेगळे मार्केट्स आम्ही आता उपलब्ध करून दिलेले आहेत, आणि हे मार्केट सुद्धा त्या महिला बचत गटांनाच वाटप केले जातील. त्यांचे प्रदर्शन भरवतो आम्ही. आता प्लास्टिक मुक्तीमध्ये आम्ही मागच्या वर्षी प्लास्टिक, आता या वर्षी प्लास्टिक मुक्ती करायचे म्हणून आम्ही 6,500 महिलांना शिवण मशीन, तेव्हा झुंकीच्या शिवण मशीन मॅडम वाटल्या, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण जूटचं सुद्धा बॅगा तयार करू शकतो. आणि या सगळ्या 1000 महिलांना आम्ही अंदाजे 1000 ग्रुपना आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या बॅगा बनवण्याचं प्रशिक्षण.
All here. We on our part and SGPDA will give you whatever help, and for people like 40 crores budget people from the 40,000 crores budget, and they are coming to a small place like Goa. For us it's such an honor to have you all, and it's a big achievement for us, and it is nice to be appreciated by our neighboring places, neighboring states. It is so good. And as I said before, we will have teething problems. In every project there are teething problems, but we at SGPDA will do our best to rectify and even replace it in whatever way we can. Okay. And another thing is we want safe food. Our party as well as our president has said we want safe environment and safe food, safe facility. We have given a clean and hygienic place, a facility for all the Goenkars. That is our Goenkar pond. We are doing our best to give you the facility, but it is up to the FDA. I request them to please check and monitor all the food items, all the consumables that are there in this market, not only fish. It can be meats, it can be granary, it can be fruits. Fruits have got so many preservatives. Sorry, Baba, I'm just sitting. Fruits, vegetables, chicken, all that has to be, and we are trying our best to clean up all the sheds.
But we are very proud, that a team from Mumbai Mahanagar Palika has visited us, which is headed by the Assistant Commissioner Markets, Dr. Mrs. Sangeeta Hasnare, and her team has come, the entire market team, because they are in the process of developing their fish markets, and then they saw a WhatsApp image of a video of the market that we have developed. And they thought that this was something probably a nice market that has happened, and maybe they could, if they feel satisfied by visiting it, they could probably learn from that and kind of make a replica of that. So we are also taking them to the SGPD retail fish market now, and she sort of gave us in brief what is the whole structure of the Mumbai municipality. Of course, it's too vast and too large, but in a very nutshell, she explained to us. They also have their own set of problems, just the way we have our own set of problems. But as she has said, the administration is all the time evolving and all the time trying to create a system, to tackle the problems which we face day to day. So shortly I'll be taking them. She spoke also very nicely about the thermocol menace that we face, which I think all of you all have heard over here, and that's a wonderful idea. Then she also talked about creating garbage marshals, who look upon the dark spots in the city whereby people tend to throw kachra. So what they do is they involve citizens and they give them a kind of so it's also an employment generation opportunity. These marshals can fine the public from 200 to 2,000 rupees. Those who throw kachra. And if it is biomedical waste or construction debris, the fine can go up to 20,000 rupees. So whatever is fine, the 50% of the amount goes to the marshals. So it becomes kind of a self-sustaining sustaining activity.